Often we say this work is done by you. This work, or we can say you do this work,
Yes.
or this work is done by you. It means tense and passive. These are options. These are options to say one sentence. To say, don't think about sentence. Just think what is your mind thinks. What are the things whole day running in your mind? You have to think only one thing. That's it. So tense and passive are two weapons to express our thoughts. Now after, some of you know direct and indirect also. Direct and indirect. Direct and indirect also. Now tell me, what is the use of in English speaking of direct and indirect? I think there is no use. Because in speaking, we speak common sentence, normal sentence. I am here, you are there, give me this, don't give me this, keep quiet, just think. It means these things is valuable, these things are useful, but when we write, while speaking, no use of these things. It means one thing is clear, that in English speaking we need not much grammar. Okay, it means grammar is not going to help us to become a fluent English speaker. Now, other things, asset. These are our assets. These are useful to use helping verbs, third form, second form, etc., etc. Now second thing, what is problems? Discuss our problems. First, problems. After problems, we all will discuss about solutions. Problems. What are the problems we are facing to speak English? Tell me anyone. If you know, logical problem, not illogical problem. First problem, what I think is lack of confidence. Lack of confidence. Yes, this is real problem. You are full of tenses, you are full of passive voice.
Yes.
You are full of direct, indirect, and some of you masters of synthesis also. And number of antonym and number of synonym. And if you are a repeater, then you might have known about idioms, phrase, etc., etc. Learning is a good thing, but learning is not helpful to speak English. So what is lack of confidence? You know what is confidence? There is a famous joke in our society that I can do this is confidence, but only I can do this is overconfidence. Because in our society we are not alone, we have competitors.
Yes.
If I miss one thing, then other person compete me, or after some time we will far away from that person. So always and never feel competitive to other persons. Just think about your qualities and you have to find yourself. Every person has their different mind. You have your mind, I have my mind. Okay, so now search in your mind. Every person has one best quality. Find out your best quality. Okay, some of you fond of cricket match, some of you fond of watching television serials. But these things are not helpful for us. These things are not helpful to increase, to improve our English speaking. So first of all, find your interest, and then in your interest, put important things. Now lack of confidence. Yes. Why lack? Lack less. Why we are lacking in confidence? We have full of confidence while we fight. We fight each other full of confidence. Full power, we punch each other. Really, this is reality. If you want to see the confidence of girls, arrange a mehndi competition, henna competition. Then see the confidence of girl. No, they put henna like speechless, mistakeless. You know, you can't see that the henna they apply on the palm, completely clear, nice, good looking. This is the confidence. But in study, in speaking, why they are lacking confidence? Because I am telling you one thing, they feel that what we are saying is wrong. Why you are thinking this? If I do not believe in myself, then how can you believe in myself?
Yes.
Simple. If I am not so sure that what I am saying is right, then how can I convince you that what I am saying is right?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, don't think. And I told you last day also, keep a distance with negative mindsets of people, because negativity is very creative thing. Our mind attract negative things, and we have to work that our mind go towards the positive things. So first of all, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Don't bother about other people. Don't think what you say, what other people say, what certain boys say. No, I don't care. So we can get confidence. We can get confidence. How? Avoiding negative people. Avoiding negative people. We have enough talent. Everyone has enough talent, but they have lacking the power of avoiding people. We can't avoid our friends. We have to go with them. We have to play with them. Why? If you want to become different people, you know, one day in 10th class, I asked a question that if you want to become better, if you want to become different,
Yes.
then what will you do? If you want to become different, if you want to become a special person,
Yes.
then simple. You have to do special things. You have to do different things. Okay. And now I am going to give you few examples. You know, I think some of you might have heard about the name of Captain Hawking. Captain Hawking. Captain Hawking. You know, he is the, I don't know actually spelling is right or wrong, but Captain Hawking is considered that the father of modern physics. Okay, modern physics, and he is suffering from many diseases. Like he was not able to speak, but he was he's died, he is no more, but he is considered the father of modern physics. Edison, very famous example, very popular example. Edison, you might have heard about this person, rejected by a school teacher. This person is rejected by a school teacher, and he invented electric bulb and many more inventions. You know, gramophone also. And there are many persons who did very handsome things without enough source. But why can't we? We have enough source. We have mobile phone, we have books, we have everything which is needed in study. But why? So avoid negative people to get confidence. Second problem. You know what is the second problem? Hesitation. How can we neglect hesitation? Hesitation can be removed by shamelessness. Hesitation. Why we hesitate? Why? If you are doing something different, certainly other people will disturb you. This is the nature of this society. You know, we throw a stone on only on that tree which is laden with fruits. You want to climb only on that tree which is full of fruits. If you have no fruit, if any tree has no fruit, then why a person can climb on that tree? It means somebody is irritating you. If somebody is irritating you, it means you have something. If somebody is irritating you, somebody is creating problems for you, it means you have something. Recognize it. Yes, and society doesn't want you to grow.